Now, first off, this is the unit right here, and you will notice that all of the hard drives are stored on the inside, and it's kind of not really apparent how to go ahead and get access to the inside, so I'm going to show you how to do that really easily. But I did want to show you before we jump in, you do have this button up here on the front. You've got some indicator lights and then a USB-C port also right there on the front. And then on the back side, you have those two USB-A ports. Those are 3.2, and then you've also got your LAN port or your Ethernet port right there, and then your HDMI slot, and then the power adapter slot there. Now, to go ahead and get access to the inside of this NAS, you simply just go ahead and lift up on the lid here. Now, what's really cool is this lid is actually kind of magnetic. It kind of snaps into place. You feel it kind of click into place really easily. So I like that a lot. It's not just loosely laying up there. Now, you have the two caddies right here. Now, to go ahead and remove them, you simply just go ahead and push in on both sides, and they slide out really nice and easy there. You can go ahead and install your hard drives right here, and then you'll notice right in there they do have that slot. They will plug in nice and easily there. I also just wanted to mention there is some kind of little maybe kind of a rubber or silicone across the sides of the rails and the caddies that give it kind of a smooth, kind of slow glide into place. And then once you're done, you just simply push it in and it will lock into place. If you guys are looking for a really nice, easy to use NAS here, this one seems very, very easy and simple to use. And I love just how quickly you can go ahead and swap out hard drives. And I've overall been super impressed with this NAS. I think they've done a really, really good job in making it nice and heavy duty, but also just really easy to use and user friendly. And for that reason, I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.